Introduction to Express.js. Express.js is a popular framework for building web applications with Node.js. It provides a minimalist and efficient approach to handling HTTP requests and responses. One key element of Express.js is routing, which designs how an application responds to a client request to a specific endpoint. Understanding Express.js routes. Routing in Express.js defines the server's response to client requests made via HTTP methods get, put, delete, etc. to specific endpoints or routes. Each route can have one or more handler functions, which are executed when the route is matched. This process is used to create different pages or sections in an application. How routes are defined in Express.js. Routes are defined using app.method path handler, where app is an instance of Express, method is an HTTP request method, path is a path on the server, and handler is the function executed when the route is matched. Example, defining a GET route at the route path that responds with "Hello World" when a GET request is made. Tips, tricks, and common error-prone cases in Express.js routes. Be careful with route path definitions, as Express.js uses the path-to-regex library to match routes, meaning parameters, optional parameters, or regular expressions can be used in routes. Order of route definitions matters because Express.js stops at the first match it finds. Always include error handling middleware in applications to prevent crashes in case of errors in the route handling code. Example, handling errors by throwing an error in the route handler, which is then caught by the error handling middleware. Conclusion on Express.js routes. Express.js routes are fundamental for building web applications with Node.js. They allow defining how an application responds to client requests, enabling the building of complex and interactive web applications. Understanding how to correctly define and use routes, as well as being aware of common pitfalls, leads to the development of more robust and efficient applications.